Hi dear children, welcome to English class. We have already studied the story Stone Soup, and today we are going to discuss the exercises portion and phonic junction and vocabulary junction. Okay, are you ready? So in your textbook page number 123, some questions are given. First fill in the blanks. Let's find out the answers of those questions. Look at this board. The first question is, the farmers in the village had a poor dash. We already studied in the story. They had a poor harvest. You have to write this word in your textbook, okay, with pencil. Then the second one, the third traveler took a dash out of his bag. That also we know. What did he take out from his bag? What did he take out? He took out a stone. Then third question, there was dash soup for the entire village. What? There was enough soup for the entire village. Then last one is, it was the dash soup they ever had. It was, what is the answer? It was the tastiest soup they ever had. So these answers you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Then go to the next page, page number 123, vocabulary junction. Here, how to make words. Or for example, you take any two words. Then with that words you can make more words. For example, in your textbook itself given word 1. Did you see page number 124? First word is race, R-A-Y-S, race. Then with that word race we can make two more words by adding one letter before the letter R. So race. Then the next word given in the textbook is praise. How did we get praise? We put P before R, isn't it? So we got the another word praise. Then again one more word we can make from praise. You write letter S before P, then you will get another word praise. Then word 2, one, O-N-E, one. Then with that word you can make another two words. Before the letter O you add another letter T, then you will get a new word ton. Then again you add another letter S before the letter T, you will get a new word stone. So in that way you can make more words. Then here there is a task given for you. Add or replace a letter in each step of the word ladder to climb up. Use the clues. There are some clues given. Then you have to make more words. Okay. So I will explain how to make more words using a single word. So here there is a clue given in both sides of the ladder. Here you see, this rises in the east. You know which one is rising in the east. The answer is given here as an example, sun. Then next the clue is given, which word we have to write here. Replace a vowel. That means in this word S-U-N, sun, the vowel is U. You have to replace that vowel. Then you will get a word which means a male child. What is a male child? Son, isn't it? So here the word spells S-U-N, son. Then the another word will be S-O-N, sun. So here the letter the word sun is the example given. Then the next word will be the word which we can use for a male child, that is son. Replace vowel with another letter, then you will get a new word son. Then the another clue is given, add a letter. Add a letter. Veda singing a sweet dash. Here already S-O-N is there. Then to make the new word, you have to add a letter. So S-O-N. Then here the clue. Veda was singing a sweet. What will be singing? Song, isn't it? What is the spelling of song? S-O-N-G, song. We got another word. So the first word was son. Second word is S-O-N, son, which means a male child. Then third word is song. Then again replace a letter opposite of short. So from here, from the word song, you have to replace a letter. Then you will get a word which means opposite of short. What is the opposite of short? Long. So here instead of S, you have to replace with the L. L-O-N-G, long. Okay. Then the next word is add a letter. Add a letter. When we add a letter to this word long, we will get a word which means the first letter of the alphabet to the word below to make a new word. So when we add first letter of the alphabet, what is the first letter of the alphabet? A. When we add letter A to this word, we will get a new word, A-L-O-N-G, along. Understand? Then the next word, replace the last letter. Here A-L-O-N-G, along, a word, isn't it? So replace the last letter of this word with a vowel. You know there are 5 vowels, isn't it? So then you will get a word which means to be without any friends. To be without any friends means what? No friends. Then what we will say? Alone. So A-L-O-N-E, alone. Okay. So here the first word given in this in the textbook is sun. So the clue was this rises in the east. With this word sun, we made another 5 words. Is it clear to you? Okay. Next we are going to study phonic junction, page number 126. Today we are going to study long vowel sound A. Long vowel sound A. What is the meaning of long vowel sound? Which means that the sound pronounced same as the name of the letter. The sound pronounced same as the name of the letter. You know that the sound of letter A is A, isn't it? But here we pronounce same as the letter, that means A. We are going to see many examples, then you will understand more. Here you see the letters A, E, A, Y, A and AI in the words make the same long A sound. The letters A, E, A-Y, A and A-I in the words make same long sound A. Here you see all these words, there are many words given. All these words have different spellings, but the same long A sound. These all words have a same long A sound. Here the words begin with the letter A. So how to pronounce? You also repeat with me. Okay. A-N-G-E-L, angel. It's not pronounced A. a sound. It pronounced as a. Angel, alien, nation, able, icon, basic, basin, patient. Once again, angel, alien, nation, able, icon, basic, basin, patient. These all words begin with A, but it pronounced same as the letter A. Then here the words with the A and E. Here also the sound is long A sound. Fame, cake, plane, game, shape, race, lake, page. We are not saying farm, it's fame. The sound is long A sound. Then here the words with A and I. Weight, plane, paint, chain, aid, aim, tail, afraid. So here also the sound is long A sound. Then the words with the AY. Here you see today, ray, say, way, clay, gay, Sunday, May. So these words also have long A sound. So what is the meaning of long A sound? The sound pronounced same as the name of the letter. Okay. So this that is about the phonic junction. Then here is an exercise given to you. Look at these pictures. Rearrange the jumbled letters to form words. 3 examples we will do here. The rest of the 3 you have to do by yourself. Then during the interaction we will check it whether it is correct or not. Okay. See, the letters are given in not in order. We have to make it a meaningful word from these letters. A, L, S, I. And picture is also given here. What is the picture of this one? Yes. S, A, I, L. Sail. S, A, I, L. Sail. Then here Y, H, A. Is there any word like this? No. Then what is this picture? Can you identify what picture is this? Yeah, it is H, A, Y. Hay. H, A, Y. Hay. Then here another picture is given and the word is given in the letters are given in a disorder. E, T, P, A. Can you read this one? No. Then what will be the correct word? Yes, T, A, P, E. This you have to write in your textbook. Then the rest 3 you have to do by yourself. Then the homework, you have to read aloud and practice the phonic junction. Those words you have to read aloud and practice how it pronounce. Okay, that is the homework for you. And also you have to study the fill in the blanks given in the textbook after writing in the textbook. Okay, thank you children. We will see you in the next class.